Hello traders, how are you? I hope you are doing well. You are watching Trading Empire and this is midweek analysis. In this video, I am going to analyze two currency pairs. First of all, I will analyze USD CAD and secondly, I will analyze CADJPY. Let's start this video. This is a USD CAD and I am on the daily time frame. You can see that I will do supply and demand trading analysis for this pair. First of all, you have to look at the trend. You can see that the trend is downside. Clearly, market is making lower highs and lower lows. We should look for the sell opportunities here, and let's try to find some supply zones here. If we see, we have a fresh supply zone here. We have nice upside move, then we have base and explosive downside move. The great price imbalance here, we have explosive downside move, so we have a fresh supply zone here. Secondly, we have supply zone here, which is tested somehow, and if we see downside, we have the demand zone here. So if market drop to this level, we can buy this market from this demand zone, which is a great demand zone. We have a nice price imbalance here, very nice drop base rally demand zone. If market drop down to this zone, we can buy this market from this zone, and our final target should be this supply zone. We have fresh supply zone here, and we have fresh demand zone here. So if market hits this zone, we can buy this market from this zone. This is overall perspective of buying side. If you are looking for the sell entries, so please do not sell at this level, because it is already tested. Please wait for market to hit this fresh supply zone. We can sell this market from this supply zone, and our final target should be this demand zone. So this is overall analysis for the USD CAD. We can sell from this fresh supply zone, and we will buy from this fresh demand zone. So that was the analysis for USD CAD. Now I am on the CADJPY, and this is 4-hour time frame. If you look at this chart, we have a sideways trend, and recently we have upside move, and market is going to make a retracement. Then we will look for the long entries. So this is overall look for the CADJPY. Let me deeply analyze it and find some demand and supply zones. We have a nice upside move, then we have a base which gives some explosive move upside, So we have a nice demand zone here. We have a nice rally demand zone here. So which is a fresh, and price imbalance is just great here. We will wait for market to hit this zone, then we will buy this market from this zone upside. We have a supply zone here, rally base drop. So we have a supply zone here, or final target should be this supply zone. We have a fresh demand zone here and supply zone here. If market continue its move to this zone, we will buy this market from this fresh demand zone, and our final target should be this supply zone. So this is overall analysis for the CADJPY. So that is pretty much it for today, guys. That was the midweek analysis. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Goodbye.